Are your mixes sounding muddy, lifeless, or just not translating well outside your headphones? You're not alone. Many creators struggle with poor audio clarity simply because they're using the wrong speakers. In this video, I'll solve that problem by reviewing the top 5 best entry-level studio monitors that deliver professional sound without breaking the bank. Whether you're producing music, editing videos, or just want better sound for your setup, this countdown will guide you to the perfect choice. Stick around till the end to find your best entry-level studio monitor. Don't forget to subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss my upcoming tips and reviews on audio gear. And if you want the best deals on these monitors, check out the links in the description below. Also, drop a comment letting me know which studio monitor you're using or planning to buy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. At number 5 are the Behringer Truth 4.5 BT studio monitors. These are ultra-linear 64-watt reference class monitors equipped with high-quality Bluetooth 5.3 streaming. They feature long-throw 4.5-inch woofers with deformation-resistant glass fiber cones and ultra-high-resolution 1-inch silk dome tweeters. Thanks to their advanced waveguide technology, they offer wide acoustic dispersion and a large sweet spot, making them ideal for home recording, gaming, and multimedia workstations. Having tested these in a small home studio setup, I was genuinely impressed by their clarity and stereo imaging. The Bluetooth connectivity was seamless, and the sound remained consistent even when streaming wirelessly. They're not the loudest in this lineup, but they hold their own in terms of tonal balance and detail, especially for vocal-heavy mixes. What makes the Behringer Truth 4.5 stand out is its combination of affordability and audiophile-grade components. These monitors are best suited for beginners who want a taste of professional sound without diving deep into studio-grade pricing. If you're a content creator or gamer looking for crisp highs and decent bass in a compact form, these are a solid pick. At number 4 is the Edifier MR3 powered studio monitor speakers. The Edifier MR3 studio monitors deliver a flat frequency response from 52 Hz to 40 kHz and are high-res audio certified, supporting high-resolution audio processing. They feature 3.5-inch mid-low drivers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters powered by 36 watts of bi-amped Class D amplification. The MDF cabinet construction reduces distortion and resonance, while the monitors offer multiple input options, including balanced TRS, RCA, AUX, and Bluetooth 5.4. There's also a headphone output socket for direct monitoring. From personal experience, the MR3s are incredibly versatile. I tried them for both video editing and casual music listening, and they performed admirably across genres. The sound is clean and neutral, which is exactly what you want when mixing or mastering. The Bluetooth 5.4 was a nice touch, especially when switching between wired and wireless sources. The Edifier MMR3 stands out for its sleek design, high-resolution audio support, and flexible connectivity. These are perfect for hobbyists, podcasters, and video editors who need accurate sound reproduction in a compact footprint. If you're working in a small room and want monitors that adapt to your space, the MR3s are a smart choice. At number 3 is the M-Audio BX5 studio monitor. This studio monitor features a 5-inch woven Kevlar low-frequency driver and a 1-inch natural silk dome tweeter. It delivers a flat frequency response with enhanced stereo imaging and increased clarity, powered by 80 watts of bi-amplified Class A/B amplification. The tweeter's waveguide provides an expansive sweet spot, and a pinhole-mounted LED helps you position the monitor for optimal listening. The compact design makes it suitable for any studio environment. While testing it out, the BX5 impressed me with its punchy low end and crisp highs. I tested it with electronic music and acoustic recordings, and it handled both with finesse. The Kevlar woofer adds a layer of depth that's hard to find in this price range, and the stereo imaging is spot on for mixing. What makes the BX5 unique is its professional-grade sound in a compact and affordable package. It's ideal for bedroom producers, beat makers, and anyone who wants to upgrade from consumer speakers to something more accurate. If you're serious about mixing and want monitors that reveal the details in your tracks, the BX5 is a fantastic entry point. At number 2 is Mackie CR5 XBT Multimedia monitors. These studio monitors feature 5-inch woofers and 1-inch tweeters, delivering studio-quality sound with Bluetooth connectivity. They support multiple input types, including 1 4-inch TRS, 1 8-inch TRS, and RCA, making them compatible with a wide range of gear. With a stylish design and powerful output, these monitors are built for content creators, musicians, and video editors who want professional sound in any creative space. After trying out the CR5 XBT, I found them to be incredibly reliable and versatile. The sound is rich and full, with a slightly warm character that makes long editing sessions more enjoyable. The Bluetooth pairing was quick, and the build quality feels premium for the price. The standout feature of the CR5 XBT is its blend of style and substance. These monitors are perfect for creators who want their gear to look as good as it sounds. If you're building a multimedia workstation and need monitors that can handle music production, video editing, and casual listening, the CR5 XBT are a top contender. And my best overall pick is the PreSonus Eris 3.5 studio monitors. These studio monitors feature 3.5-inch woven composite woofers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters powered by 50 watts of Class AB amplification. They offer a frequency response of 80 Hz to 20 kHz and include tuning controls to adjust the sound to your room. Input options include 1 4-inch TRS, RCA, and 3.5 meters auxiliary, making them highly adaptable for various setups. These monitors are compact yet powerful, delivering clear and accurate audio for content creators, gamers, and mixing engineers. Having used the Eris 3.5 extensively, I can confidently say they punch above their weight. The sound is incredibly balanced, with tight lows and smooth highs. I tried them for mixing voiceovers, editing podcasts, and even casual gaming, and they never disappointed. The tuning controls help me dial in the sound perfectly for my room. What makes the Eris 3.5 the best in this lineup is its unbeatable value and professional-grade performance in a small footprint. These monitors are ideal for creators working in tight spaces who still demand accurate sound. If you're just starting out and want monitors that will grow with you, the Eris 3.5 monitors are the ones to beat. And those are my picks for the top 5 entry-level studio monitors that deliver serious sound without draining your wallet. Whether you're mixing your next hit, editing a video, or just upgrading your desktop audio, one of these picks will fit your needs perfectly. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a gear guide that could transform your setup. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on all the monitors we covered today. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which monitor you're using or planning to buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.